up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing Flood Escape 2. So in this video is going to be me, Sahil, and my friend Penguin the Penguin. Say hello.
Hi.
So we'll be teaching you guys how to become a pro in Flood Escape. So the top 10 tips to be a Flood Escape pro. Let's get into the video. Ayo guys, the first tip of being a pro. So what you can do is just hold spacebar on ladders and you go extremely fast. So let me show you that again, guys. So here, ladder, you hold spacebar on the ladder and you go extremely fast. But if you don't, then you can just go slow. But spacebar saves you time. So that's the first tip of being a Flood Escape pro. Hey guys, the next one is in this map. So example, you need to go fast. So imagine that you want to get the first button. You can go across this blue line right here, like this other person's doing. You can go across the blue line and then jump up and then press the button. I fell, but I hope you guys don't fall. See that girl? She touched the button, and that's what you can do, and it saves much time. So another person can just be ready to jump. So guys, that's tip number 2 of how to become a Flood Escape. And guys, the third glitch of being a Flood Escape pro is when you're in Lost Woods. When you come here, you can just get on this wood right here, scale up, and make the jump and get on the button. So you just save time instead of going all around like you saw my friend Pangy. He just went all around. And yeah, so that just is this time saver. So guys, if you like this third glitch, then tell us. And guys, the next tip, or this is just for show off flex, whenever you're at the end of a map, you can just tap the thing and jump off really fast. And yeah, so that's how you get it. So you can jump in the water, it counts as you're alive. So that's just for a flex, guys. So that's the 4th tip to be a pro. And guys, the next glitch is in Lost Desert. So whenever you come in, you can just get on this cactus right here. Somebody, I bet, will go get it. Once they get the thing, you can just, oof, I'm bad, guys. You just jump on the bridge and then you can just go. So that's the next hack. And guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.